And I found that people misunderstand a lot about industrial dust collection systems, mostly because for our customers, dust collection is sort of a secondary concern. Their concern is their process, right? Their concern is churning out product, their production schedules, uptime in their facilities, and whatever their core business is. To them, to many customers, dust collection is sort of a secondary thing. It doesn't create, product for them. So, it's kind of a niche thing that sometimes causes problems in their facility and in their process, but doesn't directly contribute to their bottom line. So what happens is, they'll kind of give it a secondary or not so much attention. And over the years, dust collection systems require a lot of upkeep, maintenance, knowledge to keep them running. And if they're not given the attention they need over time, they tend to degrade. Changes get made that aren't very well thought out, and before you know it, customers will just see that their facility is dusty and the processes aren't working as well as they should. So there really is a lot of engineering, thought, and experience required to design, to size, to install, to maintain and operate dust collection systems. They're a fairly complex system, and they should be thought of as a part of the production process rather than just a thing that you need, because over time, like I said, if you don't give it the focus it needs, it won't perform as well as it should. It'll end up having impacts on your main process in terms of downtime, employee satisfaction, potential health and safety issues, and that kind of thing.